Stop breathing in dust and pet dander today by finding the absolute best air filter for your home's needs. First up, we have a heavy hitter for those dealing with persistent allergies and pet hair in medium-sized rooms. This unit solves the problem of stagnant, dusty air by using a high-torque 50W motor to cycle air up to 5 times an hour in a standard bedroom. Its 3-in-1 HEPA filter is a lifesaver for capturing 99.97% of fine particles like pollen and dander that usually trigger sneezing fits. I love the sleep mode feature because it drops the noise to a whisper quiet 24 decibels, so you won't even notice it's running while you rest. It is the perfect choice for a home office where you need focus and clean air without the roar of a loud fan. Imagine waking up without a stuffy nose because this machine worked through the night to scrub the air around your bed. Next, at number 2 is a powerhouse designed specifically for large open concept living spaces or basements up to 1875 square feet. If you have a massive room, this filter handles the volume easily, while specifically targeting pet fur with its unique U-shaped air inlet. It solves the issue of clogged filters by trapping hair before it reaches the core, making it a must-have for owners of heavy shedding dogs. The built-in air quality monitor gives you real-time feedback, automatically adjusting the fan speed when it detects pollutants like smoke or dust. This is ideal for families who spend a lot of time in a large living room and want peace of mind that the air is safe. You could host a dinner party and let the auto mode handle any cooking odors or allergens brought in by guests without lifting a finger. Now for number 3, we are looking at a compact solution that is perfect for smaller personal spaces like dorms or desktops. This little unit tackles the common problem of localized odors and stuffiness in tight quarters, where a full-size purifier just will not fit. It features a 3-in-1 filter system and a clever aroma pad, allowing you to add essential oils to freshen the room while it cleans. Students or office workers should grab this to keep their immediate breathing zone clear of dust and distracting smells. It is incredibly quiet, operating even softer than a whisper, so it will not interrupt your deep study sessions or important video calls. You can tuck it right next to your computer monitor to ensure you are breathing crisp, filtered air all day long. Coming in at number 4, we shift gears to a bulk replacement option for your home's central HVAC system. These MERV 8 filters are designed to stop household irritants like lint and pollen from circulating through your vents and damaging your furnace. They use electrostatically charged synthetic material to act like a magnet for tiny allergens, which significantly improves the overall air quality of your entire house. This is the smart buy for homeowners who want to maintain their system's efficiency without spending a fortune on individual specialty filters. Since it comes in a 6-pack, you will have a year's supply of replacements ready to go, ensuring you never forget a change. Just slide one into your return air grill every 3 months to keep your furnace running smooth and your air smelling fresh. Next, at number 5, we have a reliable set of filters focused on basic dust defense for standard air conditioning units. These filters solve the problem of invisible dust buildup that eventually settles on your furniture and inside your lungs. Using exclusive 3-in-1 technology, they pull in and trap unwanted particles while still allowing for high airflow so your AC does not have to overwork. If you live in a relatively low allergy area but still struggle with household dust, this 6-pack is your best friend for routine maintenance. The pleated design increases the surface area for filtration, meaning it stays LEVOIT air purifier for home large room, up to 1073 FTU with air quality monitor, AHAM VERIFIDE, smart Wi-Fi, washable pre-filter, HEPA sleep mode for pets, allergies, dust, pollen, vital 100 SP, white. AHAM verified effective purification. The Vital 100 SP air purifier has undergone rigorous testing and can purify the air 4.8x per hour in rooms as large as 222 FT2. In areas up to 1073 FT2, it cleans the air once per hour, making it an ideal choice for open concept living spaces pet owners. Friendly. Pet mode cleans the air, while the wide U-shaped air inlet effectively traps airborne pet fur and large particles. Coway Air Mega AP1501 12HHW, true HEPA purifier with air quality monitoring, auto, timer, filter indicator, and eco mode, 16.8x, 18.3x, 9.7 white. Coway Mighty AP1509 white is designed to accommodate room sizes up to 361 Esquerru FT, Catter Dust 246, Pollen 240, Smoke 233 CB FT Bao. 4-stage filtration system, pre-filter, deodorization filter, true HEPA filter, vital ion, captures and reduces up to 97% of particles are zero. 3 microns in the air, including pollen, pollutants, and other allergens. It also reduces volatile organic compounds and reduces odor. Filtrete 20x20-gallon air filter MERV5, 6-pack AC furnace HVAC, MPR 300, basic dust defense, pleated electrostatic, removes lint. 20x20-gallon AIR filter for furnace and AC systems, Filtrete MERV5 furnace filters, designed for standard HVAC systems. Each 6-pack includes filters with actual dimensions, 19.69 x 19.69 x 0.81, compatible with furnace and air conditioner units requiring 2020 FWATX1 size filters for whole air filtration. Make your home your sanctuary. 6-pack of 3-month pleated Filtrete 20x1 MPR 300 AC. Furnace air filter helps capture unwanted particles from your household air to contribute to a cleaner, fresher home environment. April Air 413 replacement filter for April Air. Whole house air purifiers, MERV 13, healthy home allergy, 16x 25x4 air filter, pack of 2. Create a healthier home by preventing airborne allergens from circulating through the air in your home. This April Air 413 replacement air filter traps common allergy triggers as they pass through the MERV 13 filter, including dust, pollen, mold spores, bacteria, pet dander, and dust mites. Better performance thanks to the patented April Air self-seal technology, which minimizes the amount of air bypassing the filter. Simply 14-20-1 air filter, MERV 8 6-pack for home AC furnace and HVAC, actual size 13.75, 9.75, X75, dust, pet, and allergy control. Universally compatible, measuring 14x20 x1 with an actual size of 13.75, x9.75, x0.75. Simply Filters works with almost any brand. Comparable to 3M Filtrete MPR 600, filter by AFB Silver and Honeywell FPR 5. Cleaner air everywhere. Our filters capture dust, mold, pet dander, and pollen in homes, offices, schools, hospitals, and commercial spaces, trapping 90% of airborne particles, promoting a healthier living environment with clean and fresh indoor air. Check the links in the description to find the best deal. Thanks for watching.